ulan, grabe. Kanina nag-hailstorm. Ganun pala yun, parang snow. Bukas ng ulan, oh. Hello guys. May 30 ngayon. 7:40 PM. Kakaligo ko lang. Grabe, ang hirap maligo guys. Kasi kahit may heater, kahit may hot water, syempre pag tapos ka ng maligo, diba? Kailangan mabilisan kang kumilos. Kasi lamig. Si Shami, sinisipon siya. Kasi, yun nga. Naulanan kasi sila ni Lucas nung isang araw. Ako ba sa batang yun? Hindi sila nagpayong. May baon naman silang payong. Hindi sila nagpayong. Kaya tuloy, nabasa sila. Although, yung uniform nila, meron silang jackets. Tapos yung jacket nila, maganda siya kasi yung material niya sa loob is pang, kumbaga, pang warm talaga siya ng katawan. Tapos yung sa labas naman, kapote na kapote yung material. Or pwede mo siyang punasan pag nabasa. Today is Thursday. And guess what? Monday is holiday again. At dahil holiday ang Monday, kung nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko, ini-encourage kami na kapag merong holiday, gamitin namin yung annual leave para makapag long weekends. So, yun yung pinopromote nila dito, yung time with family. So, at the moment, although meron na akong na-advance na vacation leave nung December, nung nag-join ako, kakatawa nga nung panahon na yun kasi kaka-join ko lang, pinapag-leave na ako. Dito kasi ang culture, hindi mo kailangan mag-apply ng leave. Ikaw yung ipupush nila para mag-leave. Magulat ka na lang kasi kailangan mong mag-leave. At yung boss mo mismo ang mag-encourage sa'yo na kailangan mong mag-leave. Gamitin mo yung leave mo. So, nung December, dahil nga, syempre, ano yun, magpapasko. So, ang tawag doon, statutory leave or non-statutory leave. Parang ganon. Kasi nga, since sarado yung opisina, hindi nga pwedeng magtrabaho ng office. Wala ka namang gagawin kasi nga, sarado yung mga offices. So, ang pwede lang pumasok nung time na yon is yung mga frontliners. So, since hindi naman ako frontliner, lahat kami nasa back office, kailangan naming mag-file ng leave. And since wala naman akong allocation ng annual leave nung time na yon, maliban lang sa sick leave, hindi naman ako pwedeng mag-file ng sick leave. Wala naman akong sakit. At hindi mo naman pwedeng i-advance ang sick leave, di ba? So, ang option ko lang nun is ibigay nila sa akin in advance yung annual leave ko. So, wala namang ibang choice. So, ayun. Kasi kung hindi ka nag-file lang ganon, advance annual leave, walang bayad yung days na hindi mo ipapasok. So, yun. Ang boss ko naman ang nagpupush. Ipupush naman nila na ganun. I-advance nila sa yung leave para makapag-file ka ng annual leave. Kumbaga, ibibigay sa'yo yon in advance. So, since ilang buwan na rin naman ang nakakalipas, meron na akong allocation ng 5 annual leave ulit. And ginamit ko yung isa. So, nag-file ako ng leave. This month, sa June, dito sa June na to, 2 yung holidays. June 3 and June 28. So, June 3 is Monday. So, in-encourage na naman kami na mag-file ng annual leave for tomorrow, which is Friday, para long holiday siya, long weekend. And kanina, kasi Thursday ngayon, konti lang talaga kaming pumasok sa office. Kasi mostly nag-work from home na kasi nga yung iba kapag gaganyan, magta-travel domestically. Tapos, kumbaga, magta-travel sila. So, mga afternoon pa lang ng Thursday, biyahe na sila. So, madaming walang tao kanina. Walang tao kanina sa office. Halos, konti lang kami. And kinailangan kong umasok kasi nag-handover sa akin yung isang team na malilipat sa akin. So, ayun na nga. Yung dito, yung nakagawian dito, kapag meron kang annual leave balance, or even if wala kang annual leave balance, like nung time na may holiday, tapos at that time 1.5 days pa lang ang allocation ko na annual leave kasi nga na-advance ko nung December. So nung nagkaroon ng holiday few months back, pinapa-advance na naman sa akin ang leave ko, or at least daw mag-leave ako, gamitin ko daw since may allocation ako. Sabi ko wag. Sabi ko gusto kong i-reserve yung leave days ko kasi gusto kong mag-holiday by November at saka December para may gamitin ako. Kasi para naman, 'di ba, may experience ko yung mahabang leave. Ayun nga. Pumayag naman yung boss ko no time na yun. Kaya lang, ngayon, pinapalive na naman kami. Ayun. Sabi ko, sige na nga, gamitin ko na nga. So yun, ginamit ko yung isang araw. Madami pa namang natitirang days. Yun. Ba yung kukwento ko? Oh, I forgot to mention. Dito sa New Zealand, usong-uso yung routine check ng mga bahay kapag nagre-renta ka. Okay. So, gaya namin, since nagre-rent kami ng bahay, quarterly, may routine check. So, ang property management, may ipapadala siya na mag-routine check sa bahay, magte-take siya ng photos as proof kung may problema sa bahay. Tapos, para ma-report niya yun sa property management. Tapos, para ma-repair nila or kung may kailangan palitan sa bahay. Ganun. So, tapos sabi kong ganun kanina dun sa ka-office mate ko. Sabi ko, ganun ba talaga normal na kumbaga may routine check palagi? Kasi syempre kung merong sira sa bahay, pwede mo naman i-communicate yun sa landlord or property management. Ano daw talaga yun? Kumbaga normal dito. Kasi nung isang araw nga, ini-insist nila na meron silang sinet na date. Kaso parehas kaming may pasok ni Butch. So, sabi namin baka pwedeng ganitong araw na lang. Which is same week lang naman. Isang araw lang naman ang difference. Hindi daw available yung nag-i-inspect. Sabi ko, syempre diba nasanay tayo na, kumbaga, as much as possible, kung may papasok na ibang tao sa bahay, andun ka rin, syempre. Nirerentahan mo yung bahay. Kasi sabi sa amin, maski daw wala kami, pwede naman daw na sila na lang daw, yung inspector lang daw ang papasok sa bahay, magte-take ng photos. Tapos, hindi kami komportableng ganun kasi hindi namin yun nakasanayan sa UAE. Kasi tagal namin sa UAE, 17 years, pero wala namang ganun. Na walang papasok sa bahay mo nang wala kang presence. Kumbaga, kailangan andun ka kung may papasok sa bahay mo. Pero sabi ng office mate ko, normal daw dito yun. Kasi kailangan mai-report ng property management kung may problema sa bahay. Tapos, sabi ko, paano yun? Kung may papasok sa bahay mo kung wala ka, paano kung may mawala na personal na gamit? Imposible daw yun kasi unang-una, yun nga, New Zealand ito, walang ganong nangyayari dito. kumbaga safe ang mga gamit mo maski may pumasok na property management. Pangalawa, sa laki daw ng sinasahod ng mga inspectors na yon, imposible daw na magka-interest sila sa mga personal na gamit. Gadgets, alahas, anything na mamahalin na gamit mo. Hindi nila yun pag-iinteresan kasi malaki yung sahod nila. So yun, maski daw iwanan mo na naka-display, kumbaga walang mawawala sa gamit mo. So normal daw dito yun. Even yung yung fire alarm, kailang lang din meron nag-check kung umaandar ng maayos, ganun. Baga may routine check talaga, which is nire-require talaga. Although naka-ano naman yun, naka-specify naman talaga sa contract na may quarterly checking ng bahay. Tapos, insert ko lang din sa chika ko. Naalala ko kasi nung nasa UAE, di ba nakukwento ko yung culture dun sa UAE, everything is urgent. Pag may kailangan ka sa UAE, kailangan ina-expect mo, same day gagawin nila, same day bibigay sa'yo, same day delivery, di ba? So, yun. Manood kayo ng mga previous vlogs ko, mapapanood niyo yun, na walang same day delivery kapag umorder kayo ng items. Pero kapag food, syempre, same day delivery naman yun. Yung exhaust namin, tawag doon, yung range hood, di ba? Yung sa previous vlog ko, kailan ba yun? Tagal na nun, parang 1 buwan na yata yun. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nila nare-repair. Hindi pa nila napapalitan. Yung ganun ba? Hindi, kumbaga parang, ewan ko, siguro nakapag-adjust na rin kami sa laid-back culture dito na although ang tagal na nilang hindi napapalitan yung dapat palitan. So, actually, hindi nila pwedeng i-repair. So, kailangan daw palitan. So, kailan lang, around 3 days ago, kumbaga, na-deliver yung equipment, pero hindi pa rin siya na-install. So, schedule pa lang siya for installation. So, yun lang. Hi, guys! Hello! Where's Kuya? Why are you hiding?
Right there!
Today is family day.
Family, no, it's not fun.
We're gonna head to the train station.
Teacher's Day.
Today is Teacher's Day, which is why I don't have school today.
But it's not Family Day.
And Mommy and Daddy are on leave today. We're here now, the train station.
Submarine.
Hi!
Sana wag umulan.
Color.
Weather forecast says 0 chance of rain. Sana nga. Kasi nag-commute tayo ngayon. Wala tayong dalang kotse. Diretso lang yung pupuntahan namin. Isang train lang yung sasakyan namin. Papuntang Britomart. So, pakita ko guys kung anong itsura ng train station.
Buy a drink.
Drink? Now?
Yeah, can we buy like a drink like we did last time?
I think there's no drinks available here in this train station. In the other train stations there are, but here I don't think there's a vending machine.
We had a like drink.
Oh, I have water here.
No, not water.
What?
Really?
Soft drinks?
What about flavored water?
Flavored?
Yeah.
I don't know if there is. Oh, who's first to tap his train card?
Cheers.
Oh, you first, Kuya? Oh, you tap your card, Chami.
Kuya, can you teach me first?
That's
Just
why I'm not
tap it.
doing it. I'll do it first. Stop like this.
No.
When you say it's success means it's
Like
done.
that.
Done.
Mommy's turn.
We scanned our
7,
passports.
That's not a password. That's a train
Are
card.
you going to sit beside Mommy or Kuya?
Daddy.
No? I can only just sit with Mom.
No.
Oh, sige, Daddy. But you will vlog with Mom, diba?
Wait, this is actually a bus. It's actually the bus.
It's not. It's train.
It's not the train, it's a bus. It could be either a bus.
Kuya, come on. This for Chami.
こちつらいのファヤケメカウェイテパイキワテタイつらいのカレレマテアロテウルキスワンスヘトライのテイナイヘトルオラワカ
The next train departing from platform 2.
May accident in stopping.
Aren't you feeling cold?
Should we go in the stairs? Go up.
I haven't been here. It's nice.
Hello.
See, oh. What do you mean burritos?
Right?
Yeah, burrito mart.
You want a new experience? Let's ride the
With the burritos.
boat.
A burrito.
Chami said burrito mart. It's not burrito.
Burrito Mart.
See, it looks so nice. Train station is so nice. Oh.
Okay, do you know?
Hello. Dior. Ganda ng bag niya, oh.
Yo, let's go up. Let's go up. I want to tell you.
Where are we gonna eat here?
A restaurant.
One, let's try to find a restaurant. Oh, that side.
There's a restaurant.
That side.
Yay.
One clip in our house.
Can I show the picture?
Swarovski.
Robski. Oh, it's there. Here, look at Queen's Arcade. Arcade. This Queen's Arcade. What's the Queen Arcade? That's a Queen Arcade?
We haven't been here. Oh.
I want to go there. Look, we just...
Side.
Where are we? Where are we supposed to... Oh, there's a salon.
Oh, and this there.
This is a salon. This is a salon. This is a salon.
Prada. Dior. Bulgari Rolex. Ito.
Mom, do you know there's
I
actually
don't
a
know this
salon?
brand.
Mom, do you know there's actually...
Gucci.
Mom, do you know there's actually a salon?
Shami, do you know this? Do you know this song? I can have my Gucci on.
No, Louis. Can you make it? I can have a Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, I know.
I made you. I can make you
Patek. Super dry, Oakley. Coach. Pandora.
Pandora, what's Pandora?
Yeah. You remember? Yeah. Coach. Yeah.
Which name do you like more of that teacher, Sales or Stylist?
No, her name is Teacher Sales. Teacher Sales. Oakley. Mark. Oh, there's Taco Bell.
Mom,
Yeah.
are you in the Mom,
That's the bell.
Dad,
No bell.
how did wait, can you call Papa? People there.
Mommy likes this one.
Yeah.
Come on. Sit down there. Guys, so ang tatangkad. Look at this, guys. Ang tatangkad na ng mga tanim ko. Aww. Diba? Kasi ito, nagtanim ulit ako ng avocado, kaya lang I'm not sure kung tutubo. Well, it's too early. Hey guys, unbox na natin yung nabili nating bag. So, ang ganda ng lalagyan niya. Actually, it's not paper. It's made of plastic. So, reusable bag siya. And then, yung receipt. May warranty din yung bag in case of damage. Pwede siyang i-return. Ito yun. Ang ganda, diba? So, actually, matagal ko na kasing gustong bilhin tong bag na to. Nakita ko siya since December, nung nagpunta kami ni Butch sa Brito Mart. Gustong-gusto kong mabili tong bag na to. And at the time, nagdadalawang isip ako kasi gusto ko rin yung Vancouver bag. So, kaya lang, yung Vancouver bag, available lang siya sa Farfetch. So, magbabayad ka pa ng tax, customs, kapag bumili ako nun kasi o-orderin pa lang siya. So, ito. Kaya ako gusto yung ganito kasi hindi masyadong obvious yung brand ng bag. Yung mostly bags ko ngayon are quiet luxury yung tawag kasi hindi kita yung brands ng bag. Like yung Senre, yung Mulberry, yung Wonshi. Dami naman yung stuffings. Tapos meron siyang silica gel para hindi masira agad yung bag kasi dito is may tendency baka mag-moist yung gamit. Even nung bumili ng guitar si Butch, binigyan din siya ng sort of like that para hindi masira agad yung guitar kasi dahil sa temperature dito baka daw masira agad yung guitar. So anyway, ito siya, meron siyang ito siya from up close, diba? So napaka ano lang niya, napaka simple. Meron siyang buttons sa baba. Gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganitong bags kasi sturdy siya. And meron siyang compartment dito. And then meron siyang isa dito and then isang ziplock dito. Zipper. Ayun lang. And then meron siyang handle. Ito na siya, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and click that notification bell. And see you again soon. Bye!